Hello guys, hello to everyone. I'm greeting you on our channel, my just viewers and my dear subscribers. Today, I will help you get the biggest bonus up to $520, and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment and in the description. You can find our actual promo code. Next step, after loading the application, we are going to this app, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important, guys, for get the biggest bonus hub. And if you want to receive a huge bonus every time when you want it, you need to register the new account every time with our actual promo code, which you can find in our description. Next step, tap registration. Right now I will choose in one click, but you can choose 3 other variants or one click too. What do you want? Current country is your current country. Mine is Canada. Current value to US dollar. Select your bonus on sports or casino, whatever you want. If you bet on the sport, choose sport. If you play in casino, choose casino. Accept. Enter the actual promo code is ZANOS24 and accept all the rules. Tap on the green check mark and wait loading for the captcha. Yeah, I'm not a robot. Choose the bicycles. There with the bus and motorcycle. Alright, I think it will be so long, guys. I will tell you what happened next. After this, you can see on your screen actual login and passwords. I recommend you to change it or screenshot this so operator didn't lose your big bonus. And finally, go to account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support, goodbye and